What if the secret to surviving winter isn't fighting the cold, but embracing it? After analyzing thousands of homes, we've discovered that February, that quiet, stripped-down month after the holidays, is actually the perfect time to reimagine your living space. Today, we're diving deep into Cottage Farmhouse winter styling, a design philosophy that transforms your home into a cozy refuge using layers of texture, natural materials, and timeless pieces. Whether you're working with a small apartment or a sprawling house, these practical strategies will help you create warmth in every room. Let's transform your space together. Front porch and entryway design. Your home's exterior sets the tone for everything inside. Winter porches demand durability combined with rustic charm. Start with weather-resistant furniture as your foundation, then build character through salvaged wooden trays and substantial candles in neutral tones. Vintage galvanized containers, think old wash tubs or metal buckets, make excellent vessels for hardy winter greenery, like olive branches or cotton stems. Create vertical interest using stacked wooden crates to showcase terracotta planters, or hang a substantial iron lantern tied with natural linen ribbon. This isn't about perfection. It's about crafting an authentic, textured welcome that signals warmth awaits inside. The goal is creating a space that looks intentionally weathered, not neglected. Foyer and hallway styling. The transition zone between harsh weather and indoor comfort deserves special attention. This area needs to balance function with aesthetic appeal. A substantial wooden console table, preferably pine or another aged wood, becomes your staging ground for curated collections rather than random clutter. Long wooden trays serve as organizing platforms for grouped stoneware vessels or glass containers, protecting delicate greenery like miniature pine trees planted in moss. Display vintage treasures purposefully, stacked cloth-bound books topped with carved wooden figures, or weathered collectibles that tell a story. Lighting matters tremendously here. Keep it subdued and atmospheric, using reflective surfaces like pewter trays holding smoky glass vessels to multiply the glow. This space should feel like exhaling, a visual pause point where the outside world gets left behind. Living room coffee table. The coffee table anchors family gathering spaces and deserves thoughtful curation. Cottage farmhouse style prioritizes touchable, storied surfaces over sleek minimalism. A hand-carved dough bowl makes an ideal centerpiece. Filled with dried moss and natural woven spheres, that bring organic texture indoors without the mess. Success lies in layering contrasting textures. Pair rough reclaimed wood surfaces with smooth amber glass, or position matte iron candle holders against polished finishes. Every object should suggest a story: reading glasses resting on an open book, a collection of pine cones that appear freshly gathered, or a stack of well-worn literature. These carefully arranged items encourage both conversation and quiet contemplation. The arrangement should look effortlessly collected over time, not obviously staged. Think less catalog perfect, more authentically lived in. Side tables and corner vignettes. Smaller surfaces offer opportunities for intimate discoveries. Strategic lighting design becomes crucial in these spaces. Ceramic lamps with natural fabric shades create warm pools of light perfect for highlighting small collections. These compact areas excel at displaying specific treasures. Vintage glass bottles grouped together, terracotta containers holding fresh herbs like rosemary, or simple wooden risers elevating tea lights. Create density through clustering. Combine milk bottles, wooden bead strands, and ceramic pitchers for a collected aesthetic. Focus on personal touches. A magnifying glass, framed botanical prints, or stone bowls filled with natural elements. These corners should feel like discovered secrets between homeowner and visitor. Fireplace mantle design. The fireplace remains the emotional centerpiece of winter homes, echoing its historical role as survival source. For authentic cottage styling, abandon holiday colors in favor of natural tones, browns, creams, and muted greens. Line your mantle with distressed candlesticks in neutral finishes and minimal dried garlands of cedar or eucalyptus. Embrace negative space. Less creates more impact. Consider propping a large vintage mirror frame against the stone without filling every inch. On the hearth itself, oversized wicker containers overflow with birch logs ready for burning. This setup communicates enduring tradition, the promise of warmth and security during the darkest months. The key is suggesting utility while maintaining aesthetic appeal. Dining room table staging. Even between meals, your dining table should present an inviting landscape. We're not creating formal event settings, but rather scenes suggesting simple, nourishing gatherings. Start with a neutral linen runner as your foundation. Build centerpieces using grounded, organic elements. Vintage wooden crates holding small evergreens, or pewter trays displaying textured glass candle holders. The interplay between matte metal and sparkling glass creates visual interest. A stoneware pitcher filled with birch branches makes an excellent focal point. The overall impression should suggest that family could gather any moment for hearty soup and fresh bread. Keep it unpretentious and welcoming, emphasizing togetherness over formality. Kitchen styling. Kitchens demand beauty that serves function. Transform your space through styling rather than expensive renovations. Heavy wooden cutting boards become display platforms for stoneware crocks and quality oil bottles. Galvanized trays organize milk bottles holding cotton stems alongside vintage scales. Add sensory layers with wooden bowls filled with cinnamon sticks and dried citrus. Display working tools proudly. Rolling pins, ceramic canisters, and natural fiber towels aren't just functional. They're expressions of care and craft. Every visible element should serve dual purposes: practical use and visual warmth. Bedroom serenity. Bedrooms require quieter visual energy. Knit stands and dressers should promote calm through purposeful, peaceful objects. Keep styling minimal. A small wooden bowl holding a single pinnacone, glass containers protecting bits of moss, or solitary beeswax candles. Dried hydrangeas and amber glass vessels introduce soft, faded color that encourages rest. Eliminate clutter completely, keeping only intentional items. A traditional alarm clock, a water carafe, a treasured book. This space should feel like a gentle conclusion to each day, wrapped in cottage-style safety and simplicity. Bathroom styling. Transform bathrooms into private winter spas using natural materials that soften hard tile and porcelain. Stone trays organize practical items, glass apothecary jars for cotton, ceramic dishes for handmade soaps. Small ferns and terracotta pots thrive in bathroom humidity while adding life. Change atmosphere through accessories rather than expensive remodeling. Wooden brushes, natural sponges, and flickering tin candles during baths. These small touches transform routine hygiene into comforting self-care rituals. Winter needn't mean dreary. Through thoughtful layers of texture, historical pieces, and natural materials, the coldest season becomes beautifully livable. Focus on the tangible elements: wood, stone, glass, and greenery that create warmth through visual and tactile richness. If these ideas sparked inspiration, subscribe to Daily Home Trends channel for more design transformations and styling strategies. We're here to help you create spaces you'll love living in, season after season.